Hi everybody, I'm Michael from Sew In Place and Sew and Sweep, and this week I'm talking about getting your machines repaired properly. When you take a sewing machine in and you have a problem with it, it's very important to help us diagnose this problem as well by having you provide samples with the machine, uh, having the machine threaded with the types of threads, the type of needle that you're using, the type of presser foot, the type of fabric, the whole 9 yards, so that we can replicate the issue you're having and understand if it is indeed a mechanical issue or something. We can simply guide you to adjust the machine to handle those situations. You wouldn't want to say that you're having problems with an embroidery, and we're going to go in and embroider on a piece of cotton when the fact is you're probably embroidering on a t-shirt, which is kind of a nightmare project at times. So you want to provide those particular materials for us so we can help diagnose that, and then at the same time that we can turn around and we can actually get you up and running and teach you and help you learn how to avoid these issues and take care of things in the future. Another thing is, if you're going to bring a machine in for repair, please bring in a zigzag presser foot. That's pretty important. A lot of people will bring in like a straight stitch presser foot and a straight stitch needle plate. That's very much a unitasker, and that allows us only to test one function. Now, typically we'll have the zigzag feed or zigzag plates available, but there are the occasions that we don't. And in those particular instances, that can really slow down that process of getting your machine done properly, because we don't have the equipment to actually test all the functions of the machine. The other thing is, you can bring the foot control and power cord. That's pretty standard and pretty important. You would think that in this day and age that everything is the same, but there are some different ones out there, and we want to make sure that we can just sit right down, plug it in, and go through the steps we need to take without having 5,000 different cords and pedals available. It's just so that we can do our job. It's akin to taking your car into the shop and having gas in the tank. With that being said, also you want to make sure again that you have the thread that you're using and the bobbin that you're using, because a lot of times people have things threaded wrong, so leave the machine threaded as you were using it, and they also don't have the right bobbins and things like that. And then that's a simple diagnosis for us, saves a lot of time for us and gets you up and running as fast as possible. So just remember these steps next time you bring your machine in, and if you have any questions, leave them in the comment box, and we'll see you next time. Thanks.